Another day, another fishing tips na naman. So today ang i-present ko sa inyo is the organizer bag. So ito, organizer bag. Actually, I'm selling this one here in UAE. So sa may gusto, PM lang. Tapos how it looks. So ito, i-unwrap natin. So kita nyo, synthetic po na leather type yung texture nya, and then foldable po, foldable type. So ito ang itsura nya nung pag binokan nyo, and then may magic tape siya to hold the jigs, and then dito sa compartment nya around 12 jigs ang ilalagay mo. Na-organize naman yung jigs mo, especially yung jigs na pang micro or big game, around 100 grams to 350 or 400 grams na jig size. So personally, gamit ko na siya and I'm happy with it and very useful. Also, it protects my jig not to scratch while on storage. So ito siya sa gamit kong type. Ito, same color naman. So 2%, so same color. At itabi natin yung bago. So ito yung gamit ko na every trips ko. And then if you open it, ito yung mga jigs ko. So from 200 grams to 350, at may isa akong 400 grams na deep liner dito na orange na teardrop design. So here, ma-organize talaga siya at hindi siya magbabangga-bangga or kaya hindi siya moving while on storage. So not to worry na ma-scratch yung mga jigs nyo, especially color matters pag nagda-drop tayo around 100 to 200 meters drop. So ganito siya at pwede siyang may magic tape naman siya to hold para hindi siya moving, and then kung may laman na siya, hindi na siya na-fold, but it is still useful kasi pwede siyang ma-roll to keep all things fitted and not moving. So ganito po itsura niya pag may laman na. So for those who are interested, you can PM me directly on my page, and then it will not cost you a fortune. I'm selling it for 35 dirham. For those who need, just PM me. Thank you. Have a nice day.